Hello, I'm Jane Jackson, and welcome back to another one of my LinkedIn tips. Today, I thought I'd tell you how you can do a quick job search for jobs on LinkedIn by using hashtags. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so here we are on LinkedIn. So if we go into the search function, say if you are a marketing coordinator, you can put hashtag marketing coordinator. Then you do that Boolean search, you add the word and then hiring, okay, and then Sydney, if you are in Sydney, and then you can do a search. There are filters that you can use. So first of all, let's have a look at posts, and then we can filter, say, date posted the past week, and let's see what comes up. So marketing coordinator, hiring, and Sydney. Those are the three hashtags. Here we have one post, okay, but it's got all of your hashtags. Let's click see more, and we see they're looking for a marketing coordinator in Sydney. You see that hashtag. And down here, they've used the hashtag hiring as well and marketing coordinator. Okay, so that's an easy way to find exactly the type of role that you're looking for. Use the search filters, do the sorting by past 24 hours, past week, or past month, and look under posts. Okay, so that's it for today's quick career tip. Go and start looking for jobs using your hashtags, and in particular, the hashtag hiring. Okay, see you next time.